my name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be talking about the top 3 waterfalls in Hamilton. The purpose of this presentation is to encourage everyone to go outside and to explore all the great sights that Ontario has to offer. The benefits of hiking outside is that it provides great exercise, you get appreciation for nature, and it's also completely free. Tews Falls is located just west of Hamilton. There are multiple ways to get down. The easiest route will take about 45 minutes each way. This is for novice hikers. For more advanced hikers, you can take a route that's about 20 minutes each way. Lower Chidoki Falls is about a 10-minute hike and is great for beginner hikers. It's located near a golf course that you'll have to briefly pass in order to get to the beginning of the trail. As you continue up the Lower Chidoki Falls for about 15 minutes, you will then reach Chidoki Falls. This is where you can swim or take some beautiful pictures and appreciate the rocks and water. For all the daredevils out there, there is a rope where you can jump into the water and have some fun. This concludes my presentation. I hope all of you have the opportunity to go explore these great waterfalls. Happy exploring!